Restart. What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I've been behind the camera, and I'll tell you guys why. So lately, I've been really busy with life. Literally with life, I've been busy. I had a few things. I had some videos, I had some content to come out with, but you know, some life stuff kind of kicked me in the ass. Well, not literally, but like it's just life choices that I chose to do, and it's just kind of taking my time away from creating content for you guys. But guys, biggest change in my life is, you guys probably know, you guys follow my Instagram. This little guy. This is Rugel. He is now 3 months. I got him a little while ago. I got him when he was 7 weeks. He was really small, and now he's big. You guys follow my Instagram. You guys will see when some posts that I did when I first got him. But now he's pretty big now. He's a black Labrador Retriever. So he's a black Labrador Retriever. He is a American and an English lab mix. So people always question, so if he's an English and an American lab mix, doesn't that make him a mix? No, it does not. He's still a purebred because he is still in the Labrador breed. So that's why he is still a purebred. The American, the English lab, there's still labs, just that they have different. They're both still Labrador Retrievers, just that one is a bench lab and one is a field lab. That's it. But he's a mixture between both, so he's gonna be a pretty big boy for what I think. His paws is pretty fucking big too, though. He's a pretty big boy. He's really calm. He's a really good boy. He learns really fast. Knows a lot of tricks already. Really knows to listen. Well, sort of, depending. When he's really when he's really excited and wants to play, he doesn't really listen. But when he's just calm like this, he listens really well. But I got him pretty far away. It was a 4.5 hour drive to go pick him up. But when I went to go pick him up, it was on a really bad, snowy day. So it took us 5 hours there and back, which sucked. But it was worth it for this little guy. I love this guy. I'll never sell him or anything like that. Never give him away. I always wanted a dog. The Labrador Retrievers are my favorite dogs, and I always wanted a all black Labrador Retriever, and I finally got one, and he's awesome. But guys, that isn't all. It's not just because of him, but it's also because a lot of things is changing. So I'm currently still living with my parents, but I made a decision to move out. So that's getting situated here. Well, I'm getting that situated here. I'm getting a new job position too, and so that's really changing my work schedule and whatnot. And on the side, I've been trying to do stuff to the Mazda, but I don't want to do it. I don't want to mod the car or do anything to the car without showing you guys. So guys, today you guys are reading the title. I got some stuff for the car. I've been holding these stuff for a little bit. Got some big surprise for the Mazda. I mean, not really big surprise, but some decent surprise for the Mazda. But for now, guys, I'll show you the first few things, and then we can go ahead and start working on the Mazda, guys. Alright guys, you guys can see, first thing I'm gonna be doing is adding these window visors. I love window visors on cars. It gives a little bit of extra detail to the car. I just love window visors. So I got some window visors for the Mazda. I have some of these window visors on my Prelude too. So you guys don't remember, I have some, and I coated it with clear effects, which gives it a rainbow clear effects. That's why it's called clear effects. But I did that with my Prelude. I've been debating if I should do that with these as well for my Mazda, but for now I'm just gonna leave these how it is. I'll just leave it this glossy, clear, this glossy black clear plastic color. But for now, let's go install these, and I'll show you guys the next big surprise, guys. Alright guys, you guys look at this fucking weather. super shitty. It just snowed, but yes, it's still snowing, guys. It is April and it's still snowing. It's still snowing. Fucking Wisconsin, man. But yes, it's just snowed not too long ago, and now all that snow melted because right now it's like 30 something degrees. So all that snow that snowed, the light snow that snowed, it melted, so now it looks like rain and my car's all wet. So I'm gonna grab a towel or something, wipe the window area, and then also use a heat gun to heat it so it's all perfectly dry and whatnot, so we can stick on the window visors. Alright guys, so we're gonna install this baby on here. Let's hope we install it good. Let's go. So installing these is super easy. Nothing too hard. And just like that, it already looks 100 times better, guys. We're gonna get this back one, and then the other side, we should be good to go on the next mod, guys. So make sure with this, push it in a little bit, just kind of play with it. You want to make sure that the sticker actually really sticks on. Yeah, just like that, 100 times better. Alright guys, now this next one. I'm kind of OCD about these kind of stuff. So we gotta make sure. So we gotta make sure that it's as straight as possible before we actually fully stick it on. So really make sure it is straight. Cause I'm super OCD, so I like everything to be perfect. So just like that, we slowly take our time, slowly push while you pull the red sticker off. Alright, I guess guys, the most important area are the side ones, are the ones on the sides. These are the ones that you really want it to stick, because if it won't stick on the sides, it's mostly guaranteed it's gonna come off eventually. Just like that, the window visors are on. Looks mint, looks way better. I mean, all the little details always makes it look better. Like compared to this side to this side, super empty, nothing there. And then having something there looks way better, guys. So guys, let's continue on. Alright guys, now onto this side. I'm pretty OCD, so I gotta make sure it's mint. So what I like to do, guys, is press on the sides first and then get all that middle edge part, because this is a little bit long. It's a little bit too long for the door, so I really gotta make it like super tight. Hey, John, lock the door. Alright guys, you can see it's literally touching the door. Like this door sits in a little bit more than the other one, so it's kind of scraping it a little bit. So I might go ahead and shave it off just a little bit, guys. Alright guys, now on to the next one.
Jordan, can you reset that?
Alright guys, now on to the next one. I like to do the sides. Remember, do the sides first. Make your life a lot easier. Get the sides on just right. And then slowly work the top in. Alright guys, and just like that, boom baby. Look at this little brat just chilling in the car. What are you doing in there, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? That's my seat. Alright, fine, take it. Alright guys, just like that. Ooh, window visors on. Looks way better now. Next mod, you guys see this? Front lip for my car. Disclaimer, this is for a 07 and up Mazda. Mazda 3 hatchback. This is for 2007 to 2009 Mazda 3 hatchback. So it's not for 2006, sadly, but it will still work, and I'll show you guys how. But it will still work. But also I told you the reason why I got this specific front lip instead of the 06 one, the actual one, because the Mazda is only a little teaser for my next car. I will be picking up something again, but you guys will see why I bought the 07 front lip instead of the 06. But we can still install this, so let's go ahead and install this. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be using double-sided tape, guys. I'll show you guys what I'm going to be doing. I'm pretty sure you guys are not going to agree with this, but this is the only way to make this thing, it's the only way to make this front lip work with the car. So let's go ahead and install this right now. Alright guys, so this is how the car looked before, after. Alright guys, this is how she looks with that front lip. Ooh, baby. Fire, fire. Now check her out. Way better with that front lip on. Makes the car look a little bit more aggressive. And for some reason, it makes it look like a freaking Camry now. It reminds me of these Camrys right here. Here's a picture. Yeah, it looks a little bit like it, especially this front lips. But guys, like I said, this is how I installed it. You guys are not gonna agree with me. Alright guys, this is how I installed it. I'm pretty sure you guys are not gonna agree with me. See those screws? That's how you make it work. And this is the only way you can make this lip work, because the 07 up, the bumper sticks out a little bit more. It sticks forward just a little bit more. It has a sharper corner up front. You see this corner? Yeah, it's a little space in there. And so you won't be able to like actually make it flush with the bumper, because it's just a tad, a little bit too long. And the shape isn't like 100% correct. And to make it work, you gotta put it lower from this little thing. You gotta put it lower down here. Make it go flush with the bottom part, or like just a little bit flush with the bottom part of the fog light, and that's how you guys make it work. You guys can try doing double-sided tape, but with how the bumper shape and whatnot, it doesn't have enough. Also, how this lip is gonna sit on it, there isn't enough material for the sticky tape to actually stick on, because it's so thin. So the only way to make it work, you gotta screw it. because you see all this empty space, it's not gonna sit flush, guys. So double-sided tape isn't gonna work 100%. So in order to make it work, you gotta screw it on with screws. So that's really how I did. Screw it from the back, screw it from the back side of the lip, and then outside screw it on. What I did was I put 2 screws in the middle, and I start off going from ends. So I start off with the end. So I start here on the other end, and I find the middle, and I always try to keep finding the middle spot to put the screws on, so you can make it look symmetrical as possible. And I think I nailed it on this one. Like, it looks pretty good. This is it. This is how she looks like now. Window visor's on, front lip is on, looks way better. And guys, biggest surprise for my Mazda, and for you guys too, is, let's look at these. You guys can see, boom baby, some BBS STI wheels. I'm gonna be throwing these on the Mazda 3 hatchback. These are also 17s. These are the STI wheels. These are the BBS STI wheels for the WRX. But these will fit. Well, not really. You're gonna have to do some custom stuff, but well, not really custom. But you gotta do some adapters. But you gotta do some spacers. You gotta get some spacers to make sure the bore, the wheel bore works. Because the hub bore on this one on the back, the hub bore is a little bit smaller than the hub bore on the Mazda 3 hatchback. So you gotta get an adapter plate to make these two work together. But guys, I'm gonna be throwing these on soon. This summer or early or late spring, I'm gonna be throwing on these. But guys, I'm not gonna leave it silver like this. I will be painting these gold, guys, and then throwing them on. And the car will be mint, guys. Like, it'll look mint. Trust me. Like, I'll be one of the only few who's gonna be running a set like this. I only seen one other Mazda, like not in person though, only on Google Pics. Only one other Mazda run this wheel setup, because I always wanted like to run something nice but stock looking, So I was like, pick up these wheels, and then and then after I bought these wheels, that's when issue came, because I forgot all about the hub centric bore. Turned out they were smaller, and I did a lot more. I did some research and found that I only found one picture of how it looks on a Mazda 3, same year, but it's for a sedan though. So, but I'm pretty sure it'll be similar. But I did some research and found some spacers that will make this wheel setup work. So, got all that done. But then right now we're just waiting for this shitty winter to go away. And then when it's warmer, then I'll paint these gold. And then when it's done, throw these on, and my car will be mint, guys. But guys, without further ado, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that like button as well. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you guys don't miss any of my videos. But without further ado, guys, peace out. See you guys next time.